Welcome! If you're tired of hearing the outgoing ring sound every time you start a call on Discord Web, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily disable notification sounds for outgoing rings on Discord Web, right from your PC. This is perfect if you want a quieter experience, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look towards the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your user settings. Inside the User Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open the notification settings. Now, within the Notifications menu, look for the subsection called Sounds. Here, Discord lists all the different notification sounds you can customize. Find the option labeled Outgoing Ring. This is the sound that plays whenever you start a call with someone. To disable it, simply toggle the switch next to Outgoing Ring so it turns off. Once you do that, you won't hear the outgoing ring sound the next time you make a call. It's that simple. Remember, these changes only affect the notification sounds on your account, so you can always come back and turn the outgoing ring sound back on if you ever miss it. That's all it takes to disable the outgoing ring notification sound on Discord Web using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Discord experience.